Hi, welcome to Story Time. This was a brand new book at the library today, and it's called You Make Me Sneeze. And it's by Sharon Flake, and it's illustrated by Anna Rapp. See? New. Brand new book. I like when the library gets new books, because we've almost read them all. Seriously. Cat? Yes, Duck. I have bad news. What is it now, Duck? I think... Achoo! I'm allergic to you. Me? Poor cat. Poor duck. See, the closer I get, the more my beak itches and twitches, and... Achoo! You can't get close to cat. Oh, my goodness. We must do something about this. Achoo! Sit. No, lay down. No, walk this way. Achoo! Oh my goodness, he's a mess. Poor duck. Poor duck. Let's see. Which tree has the best? Aha! There it is. What are you making? Tickle bark tea. Drink up. It helps reduce swelling and... what do you think it... Oh no, my eyes are itching now. And my beak. If I had toes, they'd be itching too. I bet a bath would help. Achoo! Cat, now I'm itchy and slimy. Maybe you should put on a coat. A coat? No, I was born wearing a coat. Please, if you cover your fur, I'm sure I'll stop sneezing. Poor cat. Achoo! Maybe you should put on a hat. In the tent? For me. Okay, but I don't like it one bit. That doesn't look like a hat. It looks like a pot. It's a pot. Achoo! Could you stand out there? When trees fly. But I can't see well now. What if I trip and bruise my beak? Then how would you feel? Oh, all right. All right. Are you better? A little. But I'd feel even better if you would sing to me. No. My mother sang to me when I was a duckling and it helped. I am not your mother. No, cat can't be a duck's mother, can it? Please, cat. No, 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 no. Pretty please. Okay. Meow. Owl, 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 cow. Oh no, now my ears hurt. Do you know another song? This duck, he's something, isn't he? Absolutely not. I'm already almost improving. Listen, no sneezing. Well, here goes. She'll be baking pies and pizza when I come. She'll be baking pies and pizza when I come. She'll be baking pies and pizza, and I can't wait to eat them. She'll be... Who is she? I don't know. What kind of pizza is it anyhow? Pepperoni? I do not know. Oh. Duck has a lot of questions, doesn't he? Oh, I would never sing about someone I didn't know cooking food I might not like. Duck, go home. But leave, please. Telling Duck to go home. My goodness. All right, I'll go. But can I say something? You always do. You are my best friend. And even if you make my beak tickle and wiggle, my eyes swell up, and my whole body feel like it's covered with ants, I would rather be with you than anyone else in the whole world. Aww. That's so sweet. Even if I didn't wear this coat, even if I took off the hat? Yes. Even if we stood as close as 2 slices of bread in a bag? Yes, yes, yes. Achoo! Then you may stay, and I will read you a story. I love stories. Me too. Me too. What's it about? Not the girl baking pizza, I hope. Quiet Duck. I wrote this story while I was gathering flowers from my garden. Aren't they magnificent? Those are pretty flowers. Pretty red ones. I like them. Achoo! 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 Oh, look what happened. There went all the flowers. Man. Oh, Duck, I am so sorry. I'll get rid of them. Well, do you know what this means? Now we can walk and talk and spend every day together forever. Oh my. I feel better already. I think it was the flowers all along, don't you?